There are hundreds of personalised stickers to choose from at PTS. These are split into two types, Classic and Image Bank. The process for creating these is slightly different. Let's start with Classic Personalised. We're going to use PA390 as an example. Click the Click to Customise button to get started. A panel will appear on the left side of your screen. Click Change Background Colour and choose the colour that you like most. Once you've decided, click Done. To add your wording, click Edit Text. Add your wording in the top box. You can alter the alignment, make your text bold or italic, and change font type, size and colour. If you're happy, click Done, then Show me my image. To add your stickers to your basket, select I am happy with my wording. You can amend your quantity here, then add your stickers to your basket. Image Bank personalised stickers work a little differently. We're going to use the YRS rosette stickers as our example. You can use the down arrows to expand the section you're working on. We'll start at the top and choose our rosette colour. Once you've decided, click the blue bar again to collapse it. Next, we'll choose an image. You can upload your own image or school logo. Just make sure that there are no spaces in the file name. Another option is to choose an image from our extensive image bank. You will be shown the most popular images, but you can click the drop-down to choose from a different category. I'm going to choose animals and then this smiley dog. Scroll to the bottom to go to the next step. Next, you can choose a solid background colour to match your rosette, or choose a background image. Finally, let's add our text. You can choose your font type, size and colour. You can go back to any of the sections at any time to make any amendments. Once you're happy, update your quantity at the bottom, then click Add to Basket. Once you've placed your order, they'll be printed off by our Personalised team.